big old long body 1982 Dodge W350 with a 5.9 cummins in it. This driver's from out there in my neck of the woods, Kaiser. Jumped out there by my hometown, Salem. This is a custom-built truck. Built to fit Thomas' needs. And I'm in tune with my machine. It's custom-built and I'm ready to get my pull on. Jumping into the oh my gosh class. Oh yeah, the Washington County Fair. We got tons of great sponsors on here, one of which is Intel. You all know Intel making Hillsboro here, the Silicon Valley of Oregon. Big thank you to Intel. They are Oregon's largest company and a big supporter and a leader in the recovery of Oregon's economy. Thousands of Intel employees volunteer every day in the communities where they live and work, making the community a better place for everybody in it. Big thank you once again to Intel. I need to do a little jingle. You see the commercials, you know what I'm talking about. Intel in the house. You guys don't forget to check out the website, www.motorsports.com. One of the hottest motorsports sites online. You guys got to check it out. We got a little bit of everything on there. Photos, videos, all of our past events, standings, and point totals. A calendar of our upcoming shows. We got one of the busiest schedules this year that we've had in years. So I'm sure we have another show coming here soon. We also got information on the website about how you can get involved with the shows we put on. Say if you want us to bring your truck out here full next year, or full of one of our upcoming shows, you can find out how to get involved right there at WGANmotorsports.com. Thomas Howard on the track. Here we go.